Okay, so I'm here. There's not really much else to say. So we got this little turnaround spot. It's a little bit, you know, but I'm gonna pull forward and back into it properly. But I'm thinking okay, so I can do burnouts. I just actually got confident in it. So I'm thinking clutch dump it, third, spin around, and get the heck up out of here, right? Yeah. I've never like drifted or whatever. The most I've ever done was fourth gear clutch dump while I'm actually driving, and it's spin like kick sideways for a little bit and then go on. But I've never like actually done one. So I think this is the perfect time to try. This may be a fail. This may be so cool that I will be addicted and it may go bad for me. You never know. So we are here to figure out what it's gonna do. And I figured, why not get the first time ever even attempting it on video? Trying to be true and transparent, so yeah, just hope for the best. I think I'm gonna have to go through like this and get like third and hit that, because that was kind of boring. That was pathetic. So yeah, at least I tried.